You take out the upper cover, and then you have to move this to the side. And then these are gonna have a 10 mil. You remove all four. You remove these. There's a great clip. You push it back, and then you push and pull. So we already went ahead and removed all bolts of the coil packs. Therefore, we're gonna remove the coil packs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Spark plug socket with an extension. Then you put in first one. Damn.
It's possible while
You want to put in hand tight. Now we're going to put them back, as you can see.
Edición especial del Chavo. Ahí le va. ¿Listo?